अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप टैरिफ फैसले पर इंतहाई बरहम दिखाई दिए और फैसले को सरासर गलत करार देते हुए कहा कि अब वो तिजारत के लिए और भी सख्त रवैया अपनाएंगे। उनके पास और भी रास्ते हैं। ट्रंप ने दावा किया कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने दूसरे ममालिक के मफादात को तरजीह दी। वो अदालती फैसले को शिकवार पढ़ते हुए उस पर शदीद तनकीद करते रहे।
It's incorrect. Their decision's incorrect, but it doesn't matter because we have very powerful alternatives that have been approved by this decision. You know, they've been approved by the decision for those that thought they had us. And they're saying that I have the absolute right to license, but not the right to charge a license fee. Our country is the hottest country anywhere in the world right now. And it was a dead country 1.5 years ago under an incompetent president. But now I'm going to go in a different direction, probably the direction that I should have gone